Hello guys, here again. After a few weeks I was absent from YouTube, and I come back now. To begin with, so for this live, I'm not trying to go long in it. So we try to see maybe half an hour or 45 minutes just to explain this this idea of, or to answer this question, why traders lose their profits. Now, the thing, I have spoken about this in other videos, but in this video or in this live, one of my students, he has made a lot of money, and he was doing risky trading, and he pushed himself to the extreme. So he made a lot of money, and then he lost about 45% of his money in 1 month or 2 or 3. And then the idea is, he doesn't know why he lost so much. He was making too much, and then he lost a lot of money. Okay? Although he has still made money, which is true, and a lot of money also, but the problem is that he still loses 45% of his money after making, I think, around 600% of his money for about 6 months or 8 months or 9 months. He was doing excellent, but he was doing the extreme. It means he wants the most volatile stocks, and he put too much money in each stock, so he was doing crazy trading. Hello wise man, thank you very much for coming. So as I told you, he was doing excellent, and then like 600%, which is a big number, because he was doing so volatile stocks. And understand, when you do volatile stocks that are so volatile, it means they go up too much very quick, and he put too much money. And then he continued doing that until he began to lose in some trades, and then he lost 45% of his money. It means most of this money is profits. It's not he has not lost his own principle. Okay, although he has, even if he lost 45%, he has made a lot of money also still. But the reason I make this live is to mention something that I always mention when we speak about sector shifts. I have made, if you can remember, in this year, I have made many videos about sector shifts. Now, in our subscription, it means trading account that we are with our guys. Each week, I speak about what are which sectors have been going up, which sectors have been going down, and so on. So if I can just show you, just as an explanation, okay, as an explanation, I will show you this, what did happen, just by graphic. Okay, so let's see if I can make it. Yes, we are there. So here is the thing. Okay, I will try just to explain this by showing you a trend. Now, from last year to this year, okay, there is a big trend. Let me see here. Yes. Okay, there is a big trend. Now this trend, let's say this trend is technology. Okay? This trend is technology. Now, our guy or my students, he has followed technology stocks and he put too much money and he made a lot of money. Okay? Around 600%. So, let's say he has 20k. Okay? He got 120k in about 8 months. He was very aggressive. Okay? He was very aggressive. It means he trade volatile stocks, okay, in technology. Now, since he has made a lot of money, 600%, from 20k it goes to 120k, he still continue until something happened in the market. Okay, until something happened. I always use okay, let's okay, until it stops going up. These stocks, this sector, this is the sector. I'm speaking here not about stock, I speak about technology sector. Now, technology sector, a few months ago, it stops going up and it's going down. Okay? So, the student, my student, he continues trading and doing the same with aggressive volatile stocks, thinking that they are good. But the problem is that they are going down. So he began to lose. He lost 45% of his money. Okay? So losing this money is too much money lost. Okay? Although 45% out of this 120k, he is still making money. Okay? Around 200 or 300%. So he is still making money. He is still a good student and he is a good trader. But he has this problem. He doesn't discover this problem until he lost 45%. And then he texted me and he said that he lost this kind of money. And I told him, did you check the sectors? And he said no. And this is the problem. Now this student, he was not following me in this 6 months or so where I was speaking about sectors shift. He was not with us in the trading account. He was trading by himself because he was in our trading subscriber, in our trading account before, but he stops. When he's making money, he stops, which is very good. It means he's doing very good. But the problem is the sector. He didn't know that the sector he is in, the stocks that are in, are going down into a downtrend. And that's why he lost his money. Now, this is one of the things I want to speak to you today, and it is one of the big mistakes big mistakes that a lot of students or a lot of traders in general they make. But understand, when they are trading, all their focus is on stocks, which is very good. But the problem, they don't know what's going on into the sectors and industries of the market, although the market is doing good. Imaginia, good morning from Djellala, Algeria. Hello, thank you very much, Murad. Thank you for coming. Please talk about Binance. Thank you in advance, teacher. Oh, okay. We are not talking about cryptocurrencies today. Okay. So we are speaking about this subject. I will deal with this maybe next time. So I have spoken just a few weeks ago about the sector shift. Understand, guys, that there are things happening in the market. Even if you see Dow Jones is doing good, Dow Jones is the average. It has the stocks from almost all the sectors. So if all the sectors look good, it doesn't mean that some sectors are doing bad. So, and this you should take into consideration. Check. The good thing is check what are the sectors that are doing good or bad, or industries. Okay? Auntie God said May and June was bad months for me. Listen, if I tell you that we make more money in May and June, we make more money, we begin to buy stocks in May and June. I'm telling you, listen, try my subscription, for example, silver subscription. Try it for 1 month. Just go, subscribe, and see the weekly videos for our account, and check from May to June what stocks we are buying or we have bought and how much money we have made. So you will be, you are Auntie God. Please change your change this. Change this. This name of your channel. Okay, you don't need to be Auntie God if you are you said how much? No, it's not how much. It means there are some stocks we bought it from the bottom. This you can check my training level 13 if you want to study it. If you don't want to study training level 13, you can just go and do silver subscription. Okay, just try 1 month and check, because you will find when you do this training, it means when you study this training, it shows you how. Just to give you the link. Try, for example, silver or golden, okay, subscription. Just to try 1 month and you will see. Now, we don't see how much, because when we buy for the long trend. Okay? We are buying for the long trend. We don't know when the trend will end. Is it 2 months? Is it 4 months? Is it 6 months? Is it 8 months? We will never know. So now there are other stocks that are going up also, but they are going up from the bottom. It means from the bottom support line. So these stocks, you should know them before and put them into a portfolio. This is what we do. Okay? The problem, the volume is low on the market. What volume is low in the market? What do you mean by volume? What do you mean by volume is low? Stocks are different. Some have high volume, others have low volume. But don't focus on the volume, because all the stocks that we trade have good volume. It could be 1 million. It could be 500,000. It could be 100,000. It could be 5 million. It could be anything. But this depends on the days, depends on the weeks. But it's not the whole market. Don't make a generalization about the market. We don't trade the whole market. We trade stocks. Stocks are different. Okay? So here the way I do. Let me just explain to you this thing. Okay? Now, here what we do. Now, for me, I select good stocks that go down. It means they were going up like this. For example, here is the example. This is the trend. Now, the whole sector or some stocks are going up. They are good. We know them. And then they stop. And then they go down. Now, for me, these stocks, I have already bought them here, buy, and I have sold here. I have already done that. But for me, I wait for these stocks to have another trend. This is the first trend. This is the second trend. Okay? Or what you call uptrend. Uptrend. Now, in this area here, no trade. We don't trade when the stocks are going down. And this is what I explained before, that one of my students has lost 45 of his profits, 45 of his money. Because of that, he traded a lot here. He doesn't know. Okay? So, we do the same. We buy here and we sell when the trend finishes. Trend finishes and then we sell. So, in order to do like me, you should know when to buy. And when to buy, you should go to training level 2 and 13. Level 2, it gives you the highs, and level 13, it gives you the support. And this is a very specialized training, and it gives you how to buy and when to sell. Because both. So this is how I buy and I sell, and this is the training that we do with our friends. It means those who are following me, they know what I am talking about, and they can ask me. So for me in general, what I do always is I will show you another time. I make a portfolio. Okay? I make a portfolio, and okay, stocks going up, they stop, they go down. Now, all the stocks that I know, they are very good, they are very strong, they are always strong stocks with high volume. This is what you ask. When you ask me about the volume, these stocks are almost all high volume. It means from 1 million or 500,000, 1 million, 2 million and up. It means they are trading very good. Now, when they are going down, so I will put these stocks like this here into a portfolio, like this. So let's say 1 to 30 stocks. Now I put these stocks, and each week I see what are the stocks that are ready to be bought again. Now you tell me how. This is what I teach. When you say how do you know when they are ready to be bought? This is what I teach. And if you go to trading account, each week I will show the stocks that are into portfolio, stocks updates, and I will update, and I will show which stocks will be bought and at what price. And this is what we do always. Now in May, as you told me, in May and June, we have bought a lot and we are still buying. Some stocks that I find good, but I don't have any money, because in our account, we can buy like 2,000k only. This is what the account has, but stocks are a lot. So we have about 13 or 15. I think we have about 15 stocks right now. Okay. So this is how we do it. Just give me one example and we discuss it. The market keeps charging a lot of an institution close their trades. Man, listen. I will tell you something. I will tell you something about institution and retail traders. Please, take these ideas from your mind. When you look at the chart, okay? When you look at the chart, you don't see institutions, you don't see mutual funds, you don't see who is trading. You don't worry about all these people. Check the chart, and don't say these people they buy and they sell every day. Institutions with big money, they don't trade every day. They are not day traders. They buy for a long time, for a big trend. 5 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Okay? Because they base their information on some technical analysis and fundamentals. So don't worry a lot, because when you worry a lot and you begin to read about what the other say, or what the other YouTubers say, okay? If you ask him who is buying or is selling, he doesn't know. So from where he gets information? It should be mutual funds, institutions, big traders, pensions plans, health plans, banks, all they buy. So try to take this confusion from your mind. Now, for me, I see only the chart. I don't care who is trading. If there is a sell off, I see it in the chart. I don't need to know who has done this. I don't care. Now, you ask me, about something else. Like, give me an example. Okay? I have just shown you the chart. And for the IPOs, yes, we are into IPOs. But IPOs, I'm telling you the IPO. The IPO, when the stock get listed, okay, when the stock get listed, it stays an IPO for 2 years or 3 years or 5 years. Because it is just new in the market. This is what we call IPO. It's not from the first day it becomes, because these IPOs are new in the market. Okay? They are new in the market. Now, you said, I'm thinking about just buying Apple and leave the money grow there. Now, if you are thinking about investing, we are not talking about investing. So, I think you are a bit confused about what you are doing. Okay? Trading, what we do is called swing trading. We follow trends. We don't buy because of Apple or Tesla or Bank of America or because it is Lowe's or Home Depot, or we don't buy names. We buy stocks, charts that we see they are good. I don't care what is the company. I don't care. So try to understand that. Now, you said to me, I buy Apple and leave it to grow. This is investing. Investing depends. You should know the fundamentals of Apple. Okay? And in investing also, you should diversify. You shouldn't put only one stock, because if this company collapse, and you put, let's say, $100,000 or $200,000, and this company collapse, all your money will be gone. So, in investing, it is another word. So, please don't confuse investing with trading. So, don't mix up. Or you buy a stock, when it is going down, you say, "Oh, I invest in this stock." This is not. This is just. You are playing with your money. It means you are more gambling. You are more gambling than trading or investing. Okay? Okay. Big institutions that make money don't swing trade. Listen here. Are you coming here to learn from me what I am saying to you, or are you? You said here you are here to confuse me. How I am here to confuse you? I'm just explaining why traders lose money, their profits. This is my subject of the thing, and you began to speak about other things. Okay? So please, if you are here, you have some ideas that are false. For me, my job is just to give you how I trade. I don't care about what you think or what you are doing with your money. You go with your money, do whatever you want. So if you are coming here to that I help you with my vision, with what I do, okay? Now, if you have other, it means you have experience in trading or investing. Okay, just do what you want to do with your money. Now, let's continue our subject, because we are going out of the subject. Now, why traders lose their profits is just because of this shift. Okay? About this shift. Some sectors, they go up. Some sectors, they go down. Now, okay? When you see, for example, Dow Jones, it was doing so good all this month. Sometimes it go down a little bit. But Dow Jones, I will just try to explain again. Just focus, guys. Just focus, guys, what I am trying to tell you. Okay. Now, let's say this is Dow Jones. So this is Dow Jones index. It's going great, okay, in this month. So do you see? It's doing great. Now, Dow Jones is doing great, but in Dow Jones we have 30 stocks, and these stocks represent what? They represent sectors in the market. Okay? They represent sectors. But in these 30 stocks, some they go up, some they go down. But what you see is the majority, they are doing good. Let's say there is like 4 or 5 in sectors. Okay, let's say we speak now about sectors. Some sectors, this is a sector is doing the same as Dow Jones. You find some other sectors are doing excellent, better than Dow Jones. And you will see that there are some sectors, they have been going good, and now they are doing bad. Okay? So, this is Dow Jones. Number 1 is Dow Jones. This is another sector. Number 2, this is the best, is number 3. This is the best sector. And this is the worst sector. Now, here is the problem. What happened to my student is that he was following this worst sector when it was good. It was doing good. So he was following all this. Let's say this is technology. It was doing good before, and then it go down, then it go up. Now, he has made money here. But the problem, this technology sector stops going up, and there is a downtrend. So he lost some money here because of that. Now you ask me, now if you don't mind, you ask me, what is the solution? Okay? What is the solution? The solution is, when you are following your stocks, if you see your stocks are not doing good, they stop going up, they begin to go down, you should see the sector and the industries they belong to, and you see if only your stocks that have been going down or the whole sector. Now, if it is the whole sector, you understand that there is maybe a downtrend in that sector alone. Okay? sector alone, or 2 sectors or 3 sectors, they are going down. Now, what does it mean a sector is going down? It means the mutual funds and the big guys are selling those sectors. They are selling them. There is a sell off. And these stocks will go down so quick. Now, the best thing, what you should do, here I will show you. Now, here is what we do. Here in the middle. Here in the middle. Let's say this is 1st of May. 1st of May, the stocks begin to go down. Here in the technology sector, just an example, okay? What you should do, you should see and you should exit all the stocks that are doing bad and find, for example, you go here to the best stocks and you buy here. You begin to buy other, okay? You buy other sectors. Okay? You buy other sectors. Because there is what we call a sector shift. There is a change. There is a change in the sector. You should find other stocks doesn't belong to technology. Okay? Since before it was going down. But if you don't know this information, you continue buying these worst sector stocks, thinking that they do good more time, but they are going down because the big guys are selling them. That's why they go down. That's why we 2 months ago or 3 months ago, we have begun when the technology sector is collapsing, we have gone and bought other stocks that are not belonging to a technology sector. We bought other sectors, stocks. Okay? So when we buy them, they are going good. And this is how you know how things work. So this is something this is the thing this is the thing I am doing about my training. It means the information, when you learn the information, you should continue and learn how to fix this problem of learning. Because anything you when you have mistakes, this is a problem of learning, of knowledge. If you know that there is a sector shift and you know how to compare your stock to industries and sectors and the general market, you will get a clear idea what's going in the market. Okay? But the problem is that most of the guys, they are beginners or intermediate level. They don't know what's going on, why their stocks are going down. Energy does sell off so quickly, but the market QQQ keeps going higher. No sense. Let me see. Now, you said, but the market, it means the index, QQQ, keeps going higher, no sense. Now, you don't see what's going on. I will show you the chart in order to show you what's going on there. Now, look. So, from here to here, this is the big trend that we followed last year, end of March, when the coronavirus downtrend. I have spoken about this, and if you go to my trading account, you will see when we sold all our shares here. We sold everything when we see the downtrend, and we sold everything, and then we bought all our stocks. We bought them here in this area here. We followed the trend last year. It's the same. QQQ, like Dow Jones, like other, they are the same. I will show you. But you don't see that there is a downtrend here. Okay? So here it was like 300. It goes to 260. Here is 20% lost. And who tells you if you are trading here? Let's say you have this QQQ as ETF, and you are having this as your index that you follow, like ETF. Here you will be losing from here to here. You have lost 20% of your money. But this can be going down if you keep. So in terms of trading, you should not hold a loser. Okay? So for me, if I am doing this, I'm not going to stay in this and lose 20% of my. I just spoke about my student who lost 45%. It's the same. Because you stay thinking that this is always good, you stay. And then it goes here up a little bit, and then it goes down. Then we have another trend. Then here, it was like 338. It goes 97. So it lost money. Okay? See? And then it goes up, and then it lost money. Then it goes up. So understand that there are many trends here. For me, I'm not going to wait all these. I'm not going to stay here. Because who tells you that when you stay here, it will go up again? It might continue going down, and you lose 40% or 60% or 70% of your money. This is what I am explaining to you. So when you say this, yes, you got it now. Yes, you said stock market is illogical. This is what I am always saying in my videos. Okay? Now you come back to the basics. Basics of the stock market. The stock market is illogical. Why? Because what you hear on the news and what the people say, and the market is always against them. Because these people, they don't follow the chart. The chart gives you what the people are doing. You don't have to see someone to explain to you what's going on, like in TV or CNN or Bloomberg or this fool, or I don't know which, all these websites and these crazy guys. They talk about the market. The market will be doing this. The market will be going like this. Okay? If you focus on the chart, you will not need anyone else. but you just need some strategy and techniques to understand what's going on. And then he said, we're gonna have mini corrections. Who tells you that the market will have mini corrections? Did you see what happened last year? I just showed you with Dow Jones. Is this a mini correction? It is not. It's a big. If we see Dow Jones, okay, look here. Now this it is not a mini correction. This is a downtrend. You see Dow Jones here. Let's say 12 February to, let's say, to 18. It's like 1 month, 5 weeks. Now 5 weeks going down in order to reach here, from down to reach, how long the market will take, from 24 March till 16 November. Okay, so from March to November, you see that? You see how long it takes the market to go up? But if you are trading, you should sell here. You should sell when there is this gap down and the stock begin to go down. If you don't believe me, if you go here, 21st February, March, 21 February 2020, I sold almost all my shares, and there is a proof, is my trading account. And when there is a gap down, I sold everything. Another gap down on Monday, I sold everything. 24 Monday, 24 February 2020, I sold all my shares because I see the big downtrend. I see it. So when I see it, I know there is a danger coming, so I sold. But when everything is coming here and the market begin to be good, I bought, and you can see the stocks that I have bought last year in end of March, beginning of April. And then we follow the market as it is. So guys, all this is something that you can see. It's verified, and you can follow the market like this. So trading is not investing. I'm not looking at the companies, at the market. What is the other thing that you are always thinking about, or watching CNN or Bloomberg or CNBC or any other, or investing.com or whatever the people you are following. So I don't follow fundamentals and economy. I follow the market. The market always is illogical. So if last year it was a bad year in the economy, but the market was very good, you see that? They do the opposite. Now listen, I'm telling you about something about, you speak about inflation. Inflation means that our money has less value. Okay? Has less value than last year, for example, by 3% or 2% or 5%. But this inflation has no direct effect on the market. I will tell you why. Okay? In trading, it depends on where you bought the stock. Okay? I'm giving you an example of Dow Jones. Okay. Let's say I just give you this example. Of Dow Jones. Just a minute. I'll just show you with the chart. Okay. Let me go to the chart. Okay. Look at the chart. Now 295. Now the price here, let's see here. It was $295. Just an example of Dow Jones. We are speaking here about Dow Jones. Okay? $295 for a share of Dow Jones ETF. Because Dow Jones is an ETF, it means it's like a stock. You can buy it, you can sell it short. It's an ETF, as you can see, okay? Exchange traded fund. Now, when you speak about inflation, you said that your money lost 3%. So it is your dollar is only 97 cents. It's not $1 anymore. But I'm telling you, if you buy here, I give you an example. Last year, let's say you bought it at 200 here. 200. I just give you an example. You buy here at 200. Now, what does it mean? Does the inflation affect the price? It means, are you losing money or are you making money? Now, in the end of February, the share was 295. In end of March, it is 200. It means if you buy, you have already made this $95 for each share if the trend continues until here, until it reaches 295 again. Okay? So, where is inflation here? Inflation has nothing to do with buying with our dollars, because the dollar that you buy here, now when it is here, it becomes cheaper. So the share becomes cheaper. Instead of buying with $1, you are buying only with 33 cents, because like or let's say 66 cents, not 66 cents, because 295, let's say it is 300 and it goes down to 200, you bought it at 200, so you will be making money, and there is no affection about this inflation. Inflation, I'm trying to explain to you what is inflation. This is the game. Okay? Inflation is the game of corporations. Okay? I will explain this, guys. So bear with me. Okay? Guys, I will just explain to you this idea of inflation, because we are at the end of this session. Let's give you an example and just try to think about it, and when you have an answer, you can send me an email or something like that. Okay? So, I said the inflation, they told you that the dollar loses. This is what they tell you, okay? Let's say 3% this year. What does it mean? It means the dollar last year the dollar, now it is only 97 cents. Okay? And what the corporations do, for example, you go to McDonald's. Let's say you buy coffee last year with $1. This year they told you it's $1.50. $1.50. Okay? This is just an example, a cup of coffee. Now, the dollar has lost only 3%. But McDonald's, from $1, it sends the coffee cup to $1.50. What does it mean? It means they make 50% profits. And they say it's inflation. Now, this is not inflation. If it is inflation, they would put the cup of coffee is $1.03 only. This is what if it is correct. But they just give you a pretext to raise the products. All the products are raised in America. All of them. Now, I'm telling you something else. What about your jobs? Why the inflation doesn't touch your jobs? Why the corporation, for example, it says this year we have 3%. So they should give you 3% this year because of the inflation. Now, in general, they will not give you a raise, or they give you less raise. Okay? But their products, they push them as they like, and no one talks. So guys, try not to get these ideas, these economic ideas on the market. The stock market has nothing to do with this inflation. When the stock, as I told you, I have training about buying stocks at a discount. This explains to you that when stocks are going up, they stop, they go down, they stop, and then they go up. So when stocks are going down and then go up, here is you buy at a discount. Because let's say the stock is $200, now it becomes $100. Okay? So this is called buying stocks at a discount. Now, before it was 200, but now you buy it at 100. Where is inflation here? There is no inflation here. You will be making money if there is a trend, and this from 100 it goes to 200. You will be making 100% of your money. Okay? And the market gives you opportunities to buy things at a discount. Now, tell me something. Where can you find cars that are 20,000 and you wait for them until it becomes 10,000 and then you find the discount? This you will never find in real economy. Okay? But the discounts exist in stock market better than in the real economy. And sometimes it is a lot. Okay? So guys, this is what I want to tell you um, Auntie God said, I know you read CNBC a lot. Man, listen. If I tell you something, maybe it will be the surprise for you guys who are. Listen, I don't read and I don't watch TV. If you don't believe someone doesn't watch TV, I don't. If I want to watch movies or so, I go to YouTube or to any other provider and I watch movies. I don't watch news because my trading is not based on news. I don't. But so think about it. When you say I know, you don't know nothing. Not about me, not about my trading. That's the deal. That's why it's an opportunity for you to learn. Now, if you think you are smarter than everybody, so why you come here? You go to other places. They give you, they will share the same ideas as you. But for me, I don't share the same ideas of you. Okay? You said the market keeps going up because of the government and sectors aren't performing well. Well, what is it, this government and sectors and mixed? You are mixing all this up. I know that everything is confused. You are confused too much about. You watch a lot of TV, a lot of news, you read a lot, and you come here and everything is mixed in your head. So for me, in order to understand me, you should take all what you are reading, all what you are watching, all what you have read before in order to get my training. You should open your mind. If you close your mind, you will never follow me. That's why you are here. You don't understand what I am saying, although I explain. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching. And as I told you guys, a lot of traders lose their profits. As a summary to this live, is because sometimes the sectors change of going up, they go down. And a lot of people, they don't understand what's going on because they focus themselves on the stocks. And another mistake, they don't exit on time. You should always look after the chart and see where you exit if the stock reaches that price. This is what we call risk management. If you go into a trade, you make money. So you should know where to exit if the stock goes to that price. Don't play with this. So you should be firm. You should have a strategy. You should have techniques. And you should follow them. You shouldn't play with this. Okay? So guys, thank you very much guys for all you have been watching. And there is another question you said. Are you going to sell your company with 300,000? Why should I buy my company with 300,000? The question is very. I'm not selling. If I want to sell, I will send you an email. Just send me your email when I'm selling. Okay. So guys, thank you very much for being here. If you have other questions, please. Always check my email. It is here on the comment sector or in the comment sector or in the description. You find my email and you send me email, and I can answer you any question that you ask in the following videos. Okay. So thank you very much for coming and see you next week.